कुल मुखर्जी है सर, कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं, पहले सुन लेते हैं, उसके बाद ही डिस्कस करते हैं क्या है, प्लीज।
Hello friends, I'm thankful to Royal Enfield team and Mr. Ranbir Roy for giving me an opportunity to showcase my book. Basically, you all are riders, even I have been riding and I rode across Ladakh and I actually visited each and every small villages in Ladakh and I thought of writing a book on it. So here's my book which I would like Mr. Ranbir to open it and we will do the celebrations. It's an honor to me, and it's a pleasure, great pleasure, that he's opening my book. And this book has been launched internationally, and it's available in Amazon.com, which will be delivered to each and every uh, customers who will be booking online. This is the hardship of Ladakh, and only Royal Enfield could go through it. And this name or bike. And even I carried 35 liters of petrol while even I had a pillion behind, and on top of it two sleeping bags, tent, and then two tents. Sorry, one tent and two sleeping bags, and then my friend's luggage as well. And we crossed Changla Pass. I'll show you. This is the bike and my tent.
Can you please share the road condition and the temperature with everyone?
Yeah, the road conditions when I was going towards Kanskar, so actually my bike got screwed up when I reached Rangdum. The air filters were totally choked, and my spark plugs were all, actually the spark plug that the black color that the cover deposit, actually that got broken. And somehow I could not go to Lanskar, but somehow I could again drive back around 100 kilometers, 130 kilometers to Kargil. And then again I cleaned the full engine oil, and then even in Kargil the air filter was not available, so I just could clean it, and then I made it till Leh, and then again I added a new air filter to it. But yeah, actually, while riding Royal Enfield, what I felt like, you can easily repair your Royal Enfield because I have been able to do it in Ladakh. So you can do it anywhere, right? That is the best part of riding Royal Enfield in and around India. Definitely, if you are riding a foreign bike, you will not be able to do it so easily. Trust me for that. Everything has been everything has been detailed in my book, right from the preparation of the bike, right from the preparation of like what all I carried, and each and everything is there in my book, and it is available in Amazon. The Kindle version is also available in Amazon, which is very nominal for around 169 or 170 rupees, and you will be able to read it on your mobile. So I think each and every road conditions has been has been conveyed there. Route map is there. Even high altitude villages have been mapped, and even like I traveled till Turtuk in extreme, like the Indo-Pak border, and then towards Chushul, towards the Indo-China border, and towards Hanle, and Somuri, Sokar, and I have also traveled till Zangla. So each and every route has been taken by me. So like I have even like faced lot of things over there, lastly, when my bike was stuck when I was entering Spiti. So this photo was like basically just before entering Spiti, my bike got stuck in a waterfall. So I was helpless because there was no car, there was no one passing by, and I just stood there for 4 hours, and then somehow I got 4 people. They were just they actually helped me pull the bike outside from the waterfall, and then I loaded the bike on the truck. Somehow at that point of time I got a truck over there and got it to Manali, and my bike was fixed in just 1.5 hours.
Good.
Yeah, that is what, even if you have Harley Davidson, I think you will have to ship it to Delhi. Yeah, because it's basically now it's an Indian bike, and it has been more seasoned, and it has been like I'm yeah, my 500cc I could do, like I have carried a lot of weight on it, and I have crossed the highest portable passes in India, so I don't think there is any barrier for Royal Enfield. What is that? What is that? And even so many has done Ladakh on 100cc bike also. So that is always there. But yes, all bikes are good. Yes.
All bikes. All bikes are good, but Royal is.
Yeah, it's made in India, and I'm just showcasing made in India things to foreign countries, and even like the Ladakh. It's actually each and every thing has been told about Ladakh. So whoever the foreign, and this book has been priced for international market for around 4,800 rupees. So for foreign buyers, definitely it's
Less
a
than
very
$100.
good book.
Less than $100.
Less than, it's $118 in Amazon.com they are selling now. So it's like a pretty decent price for foreign readers, and they will get they will get to know each and everything about Indian terrain and the bike. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone, and thank you thanks to Royal Enfield once again, and thank you Zara. Thank you so much. You can keep this book.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Hey.
And you can please, I would request you to display it in one of your store in Kolkata.
Sure, I will try. I will definitely.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for today's the biggest and highest achievement, the riders. And thanks to every riders, and please ride safe. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, sir.